Yo, what's good, dude? We got a leak in the ceiling, so I opened it up. Water's coming down that water line. Now, but it wasn't from the water line. It was actually from the overflow gasket. So we're gonna replace that gasket and the cover plate. I'm gonna remove that, and I'm gonna pull out my trusty little pick, dude. Yeah, this pick, bro. I bought a set off Amazon, like long picks. This guy stays in my bag because I use it so regularly. Great item. Great little tool, dude. Got the new overflow gasket in, clean it up, put that plate back in position, and then we're gonna test it. We're gonna test it by filling up, and then we're draining. Splash it, we're good.